Yo, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Step Right In, and that is by Lisa Knowles. A very fun song, guys. We're going to get through it. And this song was requested by Ace. Thank you so much, Ace, for this awesome song.
And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life.
All right, guys, we're in the key of D. Let's get it. That's D, E, G flat, G, A, B, D flat, and D. And of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, guys, let's do like we always do. Let's go ahead and stretch out our hands. Let's crack our knuckles. Let's wiggle them. Let's get the nerves out. And let's go ahead and play this awesome song, Step Right In.
Every time I call you, step right in. Every time I call you, step right in. Every time I call you, step right in. Every time I call you, step right in. I know he's a mighty good God. You step right in. I know he's a mighty good God. You step right in. I know he's a mighty good God. You step right in. Every time I call you, step right in. Every time I call, every time I call, I need a friend. Every time I call, 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 you step right, you step right, you step.
This song is brought to you by FlowCue. Create a task, set a timer, and get it done. FlowCue. Available on the App Store.
To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers.
Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So it's 3 essential patterns in this song that I want to show you. The first one is beautiful. Let me give it to you. So we're just basically in our left hand playing a 6, going to a 3, going down to our 5. And we're just repeating it. 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. That's a pattern, right? In our right hand, we're just playing 2 chords. That's a B minor chord and an A major chord. And it's kind of syncopated, right? So we're going. Let me slow it down. All right, so that's the very first pattern. The next pattern I want to teach you is. All right, let me give you that. We're basically walking up from our 1 to our 4. So what that is we're going to our D major chord on the 1. We're walking up to our 2. That's a G6 chord. Going up to our D major chord on the 3. Going to our 4. And we're going right back to that G6 chord. And our bass is doing something beautiful there. We're going 2, 1, 2. All right, so all together that's. Beautiful. So that's our second pattern. Our third pattern is. All right, let me give you that. We're on our 3. We're playing an A major chord. Going to our 2. That's a regular G major chord. Going to our G flat minor chord on the 1. All right, right there on the 7, we're playing this beautiful chord here, E minor chord. Going to our 3, and that's a G diminished 7 chord. So guys, if you know these patterns, you can play pretty much the whole first verse. So they start off with, right, that's the first pattern. Second pattern. Okay, so it's 2 things that I want to give you in between. So the first thing I want to give you is 3, 5, 2. And then we go into our first pattern. That's the first pattern. Second pattern coming up. Okay, so this is the second thing I want to give you. All right, what is that? We're playing 6, 1, and then we're playing our D major chord right there on the 1. And it really doesn't sound good until you play that grace note. See what I'm doing? I'm playing 5 to the 6. It's a beautiful effect. Try it out. Then we're going to our 1. So guys, beautiful, beautiful. So the next part, little movement they did at the end of the very first verse. He'll step right in. All right, so what that is we're playing our B and our G. Then we're playing our D flat and our A. Then we're playing our D and our B. Play it again. And then we're playing our D flat and our A. So all together it's like, so beautiful, beautiful progression there. What's left? We have our vamp, right? Our vamp is, all right, let me give you that. Beautiful, beautiful. All we're doing is we're going 1, we're playing our D major chord. Then we're going to our 3, same D major chord. And then we're going to our 4. We're playing this G major chord. And then we're playing our 6. We're playing this G major chord. Then we're playing our 7 and our G major chord together. And then we just start over. Every time I call, every time I call, every time I call, every time I call. All right, let me give you that. So what we're doing is we're going we're going 2, 1, 6, and then we're going time I call. What is that? We're playing 2, we're playing our G major chord. Then we're going to our 3, that's a D major chord. Going to the G major chord right there on the 4. And we're just walking up from the 5 to the 1. On the 5, we're playing an A major chord. Going up to our 6, G major chord. Going up to our 7, and that's an A major chord. And we're just starting over. Right there on the 1, we're playing a D major chord. So the next part is the last part, right? What is the last part? We're playing this beautiful pattern. We're going, guys, just 2 chords, 2 beautiful chords. We're playing a D dominant 7 chord, and then we're playing our G major chord. And in our left hand, we're just going 1, 3, 5. And then we're switching up our chord. On the 4, we're playing 4, 6, 1. And then we start over. Alright? Guys, I hope this song was a blessing for you. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is the pizza I was only thinking about. My family and I had some spare time before our movie started. So we stopped by Sam's Club across the street for slushies and frozen yogurt. As we sat down enjoying our treats, I noticed a gentleman sitting behind us with a whole pizza. I have to admit, that pizza looked amazing. I couldn't help but glance over a few times. I even told my family, I should have gotten some pizza. Unfortunately, the pizza counter had already closed after the announcement that they were wrapping things up for the day. A few minutes later, the gentleman stood up and walked over to our table. He smiled and said, "I'm not going to eat this whole pizza. Do you all want it?" My face lit up instantly. "Of course," I replied. As we headed out, I couldn't help but smile. I was walking away with the very thing I had only been thinking about moments before. Even passed a slice to the worker at the door. Life lesson. Sometimes life has a funny way of reminding us that blessings can show up when we least expect them. What seems out of reach one moment can find its way to you the next. Stay grateful, stay hopeful, and never underestimate the power of someone's kindness. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and working with me on today. And Ace, I didn't forget about you. Thank you so much for that awesome song. I really appreciate it. Guys, this is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to, yep, I heard you say it, 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million.
And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us.
We have a bell. I would love it if you can hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Yeah, you know what? They tell me it takes 3 seconds. I believe that you can hit it in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it. You just hit that bell. Guys, you have just made my day and my week and my month and my year. And I really appreciate you. And you know what? You're not just playing this music. You are the music. This is AK. I'm signing off.